Every home holds a chapter of our lives. This apartment has been our safe space, our comfort zone, and where some countless memories were made. But today, it's time to turn the page. Join as we pack up our lives, say one last goodbye, and move forward to a brand new beginning. This is our moving out story.
So much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing makes it clearly when there's love on the line. But I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why would I? When you were barely even mine. Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why would I? Would I?
This is the current look of our apartment. Last night, nag-start na kami mag-pack and then today, aantayin lang namin yung magpipick up nito para mag-transfer dun sa bago naming apartment. Wait, iba. Wait, what yung hawak ko pala?
Just meet nobody's. Yes.
Cherry blossoms. Ang ganda. Time check, 9:50 a.m. So, ang aming first agenda for today is pumunta sa bagong Paivacotti ng aming Junakis dahil nga you will be transferring to a new Paivacotti. So, ni-require kaming pumunta doon today before we move out to our new apartment. So, malapit lang din siya sa bagong apartment namin. Like, 10 minutes walk lang siya. And we'll see kung ano magiging ganap doon sa Paivacotti. May nakita kaming malapit na cherry blossom na tree. Wow, ang ganda.
현재 진행형 같아 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여 이상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아 걱정되고 보고 싶은 이런 기분은 현재 진행형 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 잉잉잉 잉잉잉
Life update. We're done in the Paivacotti. We're now going back to our new apartment. So, may mga dala na kaming ibang gamit. Ayusin muna namin yung kasi yung schedule ng pick up ng malalaki naming gamit is 2:30 p.m. pa. So, babalik kami sa dating apartment ng before 2:30 then balik ulit dito. Kaway ka, hindi ka makita.
Ayun o.
at home. Tapos na ang aming ganap sa Paivacotti. Pumunta rin kami sa bagong apartment namin. Nag-pre-set up na kami. Mostly sa kitchen kasi yun yung mga nadala namin gamit. And now we're back here in our old apartment. To prepare naman na yung ibang gamit namin. So, nag-hire kami ng auto packet na magpipick up ng mga malalaki naming gamit. Then, may bayad siya na 50 euro per hour. So, 2:30 p.m. pa sila dadating. Bababa na namin mga gamit para ready na doon. Update on our apartment. Bye-bye! Mamimiss ko ang view dito. Yan, ang mamimiss ko dito sa apartment. Ang view and barbecue.
I've learned that there's an art to changing. That I'm the potter and the clay. I'm the canvas and the painter. The marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush. Is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush. Is a rush, feel the rush. You're painting Frida Kahlo. Lead the muses like a Apollo. All the colors layered on kaleidoscope. Your sculpture.
So, we're finally here on our final stop. Ito na yung ating new apartment! Hooray! Tingnan nyo naman, sobrang kalat.
Ay, gutom na nga yung bata.
Ay. Alis ka!
Finally.
Sobrang gulo.
Why?
Pinifix na ang daddy ang bed frame dahil kinalas-kalas. Dahil hindi daw kasya. Kaya ba today? Kaya ba to ayusin today? Ay. Tingnan muna natin ang ating bagong view. Yan. So, kami is nasa 7th floor. From 2nd floor to 7th floor. And ito yung nearest playground sa amin. Sobrang laking playground. Ayan. Ayan. And another building dito. It's already 4 p.m. So, magsa-start na tayong mag-ayos ng apartment. Dahil gutom na daw ang batang are. So, let's fix first. Let's fix muna, ha? Okay?
Wow!
Wow, bago na ang ating elevator. Hindi na dilaw. Laging ihaw. Ihaw? Date guys. So, kakain muna kami. 5 p.m. na, almost 5 p.m. Wala pa kaming kinain. Simula kanina mag-a-aside sa McDo. And then, ayaw din gumana ng internet namin. May free kaming internet, pero ayaw gumana ng modem. So, punta kami sa pinakamalapit na mall. Haggard na? Napaka-oy.
Kuha ko ng squid. Masarap yun.
Wow. Ayun, sarap. Ano dito ang linis naman? Ang linis na. Ang dami nito dahil.
sabaw mismo. Grabe gutom! Gutom na gutom!
Kape.
Take home?
One.
Bawal yan ah.
One ba?
Pwede yan, kape kasi. Oh,
So, mali. So, nagkamali kami guys. Iba.
Inis! Ano ba yan?
Lahat na lang kinikwento.
Yung pinakamalapit na mall sa amin is just 4 minutes away sa bago naming apartment. Tiyanan! 6:30 p.m. view. Tingnan nyo naman, magsi 7 p.m. na, mataas pa yung araw. Marami pa kaming aayusin. Ang aking new work area.
They're running off alone again. Nobody sees me here in this calm.